The luxury SUV market is very competitive, with top contenders distinguished by whether they prioritize a driving performance, pure value, or ultra-plush interior technologies. BMW's premium luxury SUVs combine powerful performance, high-end comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Here are the top 5 high-performance BMW SUVs. Number 5. 2026 BMW X6. The X6M is powered by a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine combined with a 48-volt mild hybrid powertrain that includes an electric motor installed within the 8-speed automatic transmission. The combined output is the same as the older non-hybrid competition versions, which produce 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. According to BMW, the X6M accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and can reach a high speed of 177 miles per hour when equipped with the optional mDrivers package. Without it, the limit is 155 miles per hour. Number 4. 2026 BMW X6. The X6 xDrive 40i is powered by a 375-horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with a 48-volt hybrid system, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. The M60i shares the same transmission and all-wheel drive system, but its twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 produces 523 horsepower. Both the X6 xDrive 40i and M60i have adjustable dampers and wheels, ranging from 20 to 22 inches. Our testing of the V8-powered X6 highlighted its excellent cornering grip and stopping power. Although its suspension is firmer than that of the 6-cylinder X6, it was never harsh. We particularly liked its adjustable steering heaviness and quiet interior at highway speeds. Number 3. 2026 BMW iX. In 2026, the iX will be offered in 3 different variants. The first is the xDrive 45, which is powered by a pair of electric motors that combine to provide 402 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. The next step up is the xDrive 60, which produces 536 horsepower. The high-performance model, known as M70 xDrive, produces a monstrous 650 horsepower. The entry-level xDrive 45 and xDrive 60 models include adjustable air suspension and rear-wheel steering as options, while the M70 comes standard. The standard xDrive 45 reached 60 miles per hour in a quick 4.6 seconds during our test. BMW claims the M70 xDrive model can do the task in as low as 3.6 seconds. Given that a 2023 iX M60 we drove reached 60 miles per hour in under 3.2 seconds with 40 less horsepower than the M70, we believe that figure will ultimately turn out to be rather conservative. Number 2. 2026 BMW X5. The X5 comes with one of 3 separate powertrains, each linked with a different model. The X5s with the S-Drive 40i or X-Drive 40i badges are powered by a wonderfully resonant 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-6 that outperforms in whichever car BMW puts it in. The plug-in hybrid X-Drive 50e has a turbocharged inline-6 and an electric motor that produce 483 horsepower, but we review that model separately. Number 1. 2026 BMW X5M. 2 turbochargers pump oxygen into this beast's heart, a 4.4-liter V8 that sends power to a ZF 8-speed transmission, and a 48-volt mild hybrid system that also serves as a starter generator. The hybrid system adds 12 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. Overall, 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque are sent to the all-wheel drive system, which allows for greater agility in the rear bias track mode for added playfulness in turns. The X5M blasted to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds on its way to a top speed of 177 miles per hour when equipped with the optional mDrivers package.